Shalom. I'll start off by giving all praise, glory, honor, due unto Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushua, Bahashem, Kakudash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of great millstone. And their respect to the brothers teaching and preaching the truth all over the Lord worldwide. Yahweh, in the name of the Father, the Word eagerly called God. Bahashem is in the name of Yahushua, is one of the God, Son of Yahweh. We call Jesus Christ, died on the cross for the house of Israel, containing the elect, and is risen again. He sits at the right hand of Yahweh, making intercession for the Israelites, particularly the elect. Him, along with the host of heaven, to the angels, are going to come back here, and they're going to take down this wicked rulership, which is currently being ruled by Esau, the so-called white man. He also going to take down these heathen nations as well as 2/3 of our people that are joined unto, Esau, to one of them for his kingdom. And he's going to take them down, talking about Yahushua and the angels. And he's going to establish up the throne of David, which is the kingdom of heaven, which is going to be ruled by the Israelites, starting Yahweh and Yahushua. But Hashem is in the name of the Father, God, and the Holy Spirit. As you see it being poured out upon the Israelites, starting with the apostles and elders, when they receive the Spirit of Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushua, as instructed went out the highways and byways and taught, through the Spirit. And from there, making videos on YouTube, and you see the mass awakening of Israelites as he prophesied in Ezekiel chapter 37, Revelation chapter 11, verse 11, and chapter 2, verse 30 through 32. And again, want to give double honor to the apostles and elders of great millstone, and no respect to the world teaching and preaching the truth all over the globe worldwide, and to the few Akim and Alpha that are listening and learning. To you, I give a sincere shalom. Coming back at you with another lesson. And basically, an article coming off RT News. And, needs to say, a lot of things are happening throughout the earth. According to the scripture, Yahweh tells us in the scripture that he's going to visit the world, which he made, I believe that's in 2nd Ezra chapter 9. I believe it's 2nd Ezra chapter 9 verse 2. It said that, the highest going to visit the world which he made. And you seeing Yahweh Hashem Yahushua is definitely visiting the world, which he made. And how is he doing that? You got the pestilence coming on the earth, you got the famines, you got the earthquakes, you got the hurricanes, you got the tornadoes, you got the forest fires, you got civil unrest, amongst the people, so on and so forth. You got, different ways. Yahweh Hashem Yahushua is visiting the earth, what I'm saying? And this way is no different, according to the article from RT News. It reads, law will destroy everything it encounters in Canary Islands amid ongoing volcano eruption. And that shows you that, Yahweh Hashem Yahushua visiting the world which he made. And he's sending judgment, throughout the earth. And why is he doing that? First and foremost, is because of the wickedness that is going upon the earth and the ones who are on the earth right now, because Job 29:24 tells us that the earth is given to the hands of the wicked. And who is the wicked? Esau, the so-called white man, and this is his rulership. What I'm saying? And he's saying judgment going throughout the earth because of the wicked rulership that is taking place here on the earth. And also these heathen nations are being judged as well, because of the fact of the matter that they joined into Esau, which leads to the second point, which they help, take down the Israelites, you so-called black Latinos, Native Americans. What I'm saying? They played a part in our downfall as well now. And they being judged as well yeah, they're not getting off the hook either. So you see in the judgment of Yahweh Shem Shah going forth throughout the whole earth. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you know what I'm saying? The judgment is hitting not only Esau Edom, but also, you know, the inhabitants of the earth, the heathen nations, and unfortunately 2/3 of our people as well, man, because they refuse to repent and come back to Yahweh Shem Shah. But the elect of the house of Israel, yes, we got to go through what we have to go through, because we got to be tried in the fire. As it says in Zechariah chapter 13, verse 9, talking about the elect. You know, but however, you know what I'm saying, the elect is going to be delivered, you know, out of these things. But, you know, not to get too far off topic, we're going to go back to the article, you know, saying that lava destroys everything it encounters in Canary Islands amid ongoing volcano eruption. Let's see what the article says. It said authorities in the Canary Islands said they weren't expecting any loss of life from the ongoing volcano eruption in the Canary Island area, but that the river of lava will probably destroy everything in its path to the ocean. And we know that's the judgment of Yahweh Shem Shah that's allowing this to happen. You know, because things on the earth, judgments are not going to happen unless Yahweh Shem Shah sanction for the judgment to happen. You know, okay? Because, you know, Yahweh Shem Shah is balanced. He controls both sides, the good and the evil. You know what I'm saying? This is no exception. You know what I'm saying? This is the judgment of Yahweh Shem Shah. You know, but let's continue. And it reads, over 5,000 residents have been evacuated as the molten lava swallowed up 100 residents on the island of La Palma after the volcano located in Canary Island National Park erupted on Sunday for the first time since 1971. We're not expecting any other eruption. Angel Victor Torres, president of Canary Island government, told Sun Radio there will be considerable material damage. He said, adding that the authorities hope there won't be any loss of life. The lava probably won't take any loss, but it will destroy everything it encounters. Nesmio Perez, scientific coordinator of Canary Island Volcanology Institute, told the outlet. The institute said the lava moving at 700 meters per hour. La Palma is the northwestmost 8 major island in Salaki. I'm start back over. It said La Palma is the northwestmost of the 8 major islands in the volcano archipelago, stretching into the Atlantic form about 100 kilometers west of the Moroccan coast. The eruption opened two fissures about 200 meters apart, sending the lava west through a major population center on the island. A wall of lava 6 meters high is consuming houses, infrastructures, crops in its path to the coast. Moreno Hernandez, the major of Quevedo, told the Spanish news agent FA almost 200 Spanish troops were deployed to the island to assist with evacuations, while PM Pedro Sanchez canceled his trip to the UN General Assembly sessions in New York to visit the affected area. And like I said before, you know, this is the judgment of Yahweh Shem Shah. You know what I'm saying? That's the reason why we constantly tell you Israelites to repent and turn back to the ways of Yahweh Shem Shah. You know what I'm saying? So you won't get destroyed in the overthrow, man. You know, it's a judgment throughout the world. You know, you get to read Matthew chapter 24, verse 68. You know what I'm saying? Particularly verse 8 said, these things are the beginning of sorrows, man. You know, this volcano eruption and, you know what I'm saying? This is just the beginning. You know, Yahweh Shem Al Shah tired of wickedness on the earth. And as the scripture said, he visited the world which he made, man. And with that, you know, I pray that your brothers be edified on to the next Shalom.